outward Squeak Zipper. Place your upper teeth, central incisors, on the inner part of your lower lip, in the same position as if you were performing the siren sound. Hold this position while trying to perform a classic hi-hat. Squeeze that position outward until you get a zipper sound. From that position, cover the front part of your upper teeth with your lower lip until it is completely covered. Make some pressure with the lip against the teeth while pushing air out and try to get the zipper again in that position. It will come out with a different texture. Bonus step. Use your throat muscles to create the pressure. Job done. You can beatbox with your new sound.
Yep.